Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. I have something really exciting that I'm going to share with you guys today about this product. Okay, let's start over. I have been working out consistently since July. I started baby steps, 2-3 days a week. And I eventually worked myself all the way up to 6 days a week. I was training, I was working out, I was stretching, I was doing cardio, yoga, weight training. I was doing it all. Well, back in October, I pulled my trap. This one right here. My trap. I actually didn't pull it. I strained it, and I went to the doctor because I gave it about 2 weeks, and it was not doing anything. I couldn't raise my arm. I couldn't move. I really had to be careful about how I was moving. I couldn't work out at all. Like, it was impossible. So I went to the doctor. He's like, "Hey, Brittany, you strained your trap." He goes, "Most bodybuilders," and he's like, "How did you do it?" And I can pinpoint the exact thing that I was doing because it hurt so freaking bad. I was actually doing yoga when I pulled it. So I was stretching and I just overstrained that muscle. But the shooting pain, it was like chest. It was up here. It was my neck. It went down under my arm, through my shoulder blade. And thankfully, I don't want to jinx myself, but I'm not in much pain anymore. And it's been like 9-10 weeks since I've done it. So it took a super long time to heal. And my doctor's even still talking about like sending me to physical therapy for it. And even with insurance, guys, physical therapy is insane. Like, the healthcare system is jacked, okay? Like, even with paying high insurance premiums, physical therapy is insane. So I wanted to kind of work it on my own. So I got a few different items to kind of help with it. And the one that I want to share with you guys today is actually an infrared light treatment. So what it does, I have two things actually. A small pad area and then a belt. I have this one plugged in right now. So it is infrared red light, and it doesn't work overnight. Like, I'm not going to put this on my shoulder and it's not going to make the pain go away. It doesn't work like that. But over time, with consistent use, they actually recommend it doing twice a day for 15-30 minutes. Excuse me. It is going to help with inflammation and pain naturally. And that's where most of my pain was just from the inflammation, the overstretched muscle, ibuprofen, Advil. It can only do so much. You need other support when you're trying to heal from an injury. So I was super excited to come across this. So let's just dive into it. So they are on Amazon, and they have two different products. Again, they have the pad, which is, for smaller areas. Maybe you just want to, do your knee or your thigh. This would work perfect for those small areas. And they also have the belt. So let me unplug it. This is going to work perfectly you can strap it on yourself. Like such, but you can strap it on. I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed. We'll do it this way. There we go. So you can strap it on. So this is going to work on my shoulder and my trap area. You can also strap it on your back like so. You can do your glutes, your butt, again, your lower back, your upper back. you really can just adjust this to fit your needs, and this kind of keeps you hands-free with the belt. So they include a USB charger, or you can charge it into the wall. You could do a USB, you could do a power bank, however you want to. But they do that so you can easily take it anywhere you want to. You can do it at your desk, plug it into your computer, plug it into your outlet, at home, on the couch, in bed, even your car. Most cars have, you know, the USB ports nowadays. If not, you can get the little thing that goes in the cigarette outlet, just like a phone charger. So you can wear this while you're driving, getting that infrared red light to help that swelling, the pain. And over time, it is going to help tremendously. Way cheaper, way freaking cheaper than physical therapy. And this one is just the same. But I'm going to talk about the belt just because that's what I want to talk about right now. So again, everything comes deassembled, so you are going to assemble it by just attaching the belt itself and its Velcro. And they add a extra piece of Velcro if you want to attach the power bank to this. They also include 2 cords. So if one breaks, you have a backup. And they also include a super long USB. So you're getting 3 cords for your belt. But I'm just going to do a close-up of how this is going to work, and then I'm going to show you it turned on. So this is kind of like your remote. It is attached to the charging cord. Now to turn it on, you are going to hold that power button for 3 seconds, and it's going to light up and it's going to turn on. And the next level right here, these 3 little dots, this is going to control the heat, which is super important for inflammation. That's what my doctor wanted me to do. He wanted me to be on a heating pad multiple times a day to help with this. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I could not be plugged into my wall countless times a day to do the heating pad. But this is portable, so I could have done this easily multiple times a day like he wanted me to, because it is like a little heating pad. And it does have 3 settings, so it has low, medium, and high heat. It is recommended because our skin is sensitive to do it over your clothes. You don't want to burn yourself or anything. So make sure you guys have clothing to cover you up. And then the next one is a timer. So you can set a timer so it auto shuts off, and it will auto shut off, I believe, after 30 minutes is what it does. And that's just the timer right there. So you can do that as well. But auto shuts off and all that. Now this, I want to show you guys this. This is a magnetic I don't even know what you call that, a charger. So it's going to go in the belt right here. You can see it goes in here, and you got to make sure it connects. It is battery, and you're going to magnetic. So it's magnetic. You can feel the magnet attaching and grasping. So it's going to be in there, and then you charge this, and it does come with a charging block, but really any USB block is going to work. Now this one I have already plugged into the wall, so I'm going to bring this over here. I will say the only downside is the cord is kind of small, so you might want an extension cord. But I'm going to turn this on, and you can see the red. You hold it for 3 seconds, it powers on, you guys, and that infrared red light is going to help with that inflammation, that pain. And again, this is not a magic fix. It's not going to make you feel 100% the first time you use it. This is something that is going to take time. Give it a few weeks. Make sure you're doing it twice a day. That is key. Consistency is key here. But I can already feel it warming up, and the heat feels so good on your strained, inflamed muscles. And then I just want to turn it off. just like so. And the pad works the same way. It's just for smaller areas. It does have some give if you need to bend it a little bit. So if you want to do your knee and you need to hold it, but you're going to have to hold it. It's not very, it doesn't hold its form, is the word. It kind of goes back to it. But this is for smaller places on your body, and this is for larger, and this you can strap on and be completely hands-free. I do want to note, it is noted that pregnant women should not use these, and people with pacemakers. And if you are under your doctor's care, you know, just ask them, hey, I am interested in infrared red light therapy. Is it something that I can do while under your treatment? I'm sure it could be. It's completely non-invasive. But if you are under the care of your doctor, ask just to be safe. But make sure you guys check them out on Amazon. I'm going to link them below. I am so glad that I found this product. That is the brand Cirius, I believe is how you pronounce it. But yeah, guys, check them out. I'm glad I found it. And even if you don't technically need it right now, if your New Year's resolution is to get back in the gym, get in shape, I would say go ahead and get this now. I honestly didn't think I was going to hurt myself. I don't think anybody anticipates injuring themselves while working out. I sure didn't. And I wish I would have had this as soon as I injured myself. That way I could have started sooner. I could have felt better sooner, healed sooner. But yeah, you guys, check them out. Health is a passionate thing of mine, and not until recently. Like I said, July was when I really started consistently working out, watching what I ate. But this, be sure to check them out. I'm going to link everything for you guys below. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I would be happy to answer them. I am no means a medical professional, but from somebody that's used it, that has had injuries, pain, inflammation, I hope that I could answer those questions for you guys. So feel free to drop them down in the box below if you have any questions. But this is a game changer, and I'm like 100% sure that you will love it if you need it.